happy 18th birthday ni mo, Rian. Sana matupad ang pangarap mo. Pagbutihin mo lang pag-aaral mo at huwag mo nang mag-boyfriend. Darating din naman tayo dyan. Pero kailangan tutok ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Maganda yung professional tayo. At ma-enjoy ni mo ang buhay mo. At least pagbutihin mo lang na ipagpatuloy mo ang kabahitan mo. At marespeto sa magulang. Alam mo naman, matanda na rin si daddy mo at si mami mo. Ganito na lang tayo na sana patupad lang ang pangarap mo. Yun din naman ang pangarap ko sa inyong lahat, na makatapos kayong lahat. Yun lang, importante sa buhay natin yun. At mag-enjoy tayo, at gano'n lang siguro, mag-enjoy lang tayo sa buhay natin. At huwag tayong makalimot sa Diyos. Number 1 yan sa buhay natin. Kahit saan tayo, babantayin tayo. Okay. Happy birthday again, Apo. Bye.
Hey Rian, happy birthday. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and always find the courage to pursue them. May you embrace adulthood with grace, confidence, and joy.
I hope your day is filled with lots of love and happiness.
Wishing you a joyous birthday, surrounded by loved ones and cherished moments. Wish you all the best on your 18th birthday.
We love you from Cebu. God bless.
Hi Ryan, happy birthday. Sana maging maligaya yung birthday mo. Parang kailan lang, bilis ng panahon. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. So, I wish...
Hi Rian. Hello. I'm your grandpa's June from Bataan. Kumusta ka na? It is your 18th birthday today. Happy birthday. Wishing you the best and success with your loved ones. Stay healthy and beautiful as always. Good luck on your journey. Ayun na.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Rian. I love you. Hindi ka na baby, ate. Naku, adult ka na, ate. Magagaya ka na sa amin. Lagi ka na mamamroblema kasi tatanda ka na rin. Pero, enjoy your life, ate. Tsaka proud sa'yo si tita kasi bata ka pa lang talaga, napaka-responsable mo na. Lalo sa mga kapatid mo, lagi kang sidekick ni mami. Kaya dapat bumawi ka ngayon. Humingi ka ng birthday gift na bonggang-bongga. I love you. Enjoy your birthday. Hope to see you soon. Sana. Love you, te.
Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Rian. I can't believe you're officially an adult now. I'm so proud of the person you've become, and I'm looking forward for all the amazing things that you'll do in the future. We miss you, and I hope you enjoy every second of your special day. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, ate. Hope you'll have a wonderful year, and wishing you all the best in everything you'll do.
Happy birthday!
Hi Rian, this is your Tita Honey here. I just want to greet you a happy 18th birthday, and I wish you all the best and luck in life, and I hope to meet you soon. Enjoy your day.
This is Lola Isa from New Jersey, and we want to greet you a happy 18th birthday. Okay, we love you. Happy birthday!
Hello Rian, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na, mag-aral ka mabuti para makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo. God bless you and take care. Love you.
Hi Rian, my name is Amara. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maling bati, yay! Maling bati, yay! Maling bati. maligayang, maligayang. Huh? Happy birthday, I love you. I love you, Pinsan.
Marian, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. Akong wish for you is for you to grow into a responsible and mature person. May you stay true to your beliefs and your goals in life. Then, bisag layo ko diha, I'm just a Facebook chat away if ever you need some guidance or support. So, yeah, enjoy your special milestone with your family and stay happy. Bye!
Hi Rian, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. May your journey be smooth, your heart be light, and your days will be full of love.
Hello Rian, happy 18th birthday. Gapregid ko nga kabay pa nga si Lord magpakamayo pag-isip mo, and the desires of your heart will be reached in the right time. So for now, study well and obey parents always para si mo kayuan, and trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He will direct your paths. So kung gusto mo nga sakto nga aton panglakaton, kag nga aton padulungan, so mo na kinanglanon talagid magsalig kay Lord always. Sa liwat, happy birthday and God bless you.
Hi Ray, happy 18th birthday, and first of all, I praise God for your life, for you have been part of my teaching experience at Joy Christian School, not just in me but also to your friends and family. I'm really proud of you, and I know your parents too. As what others says, welcome to the world of adulthood, Ray. And of course, along the way you will meet the different versions of yourself. And I know it will be too hard for you to find the best version of you. It's okay to cry if it's too much, but do not be too hard on yourself, Ray. Always pray and don't forget to be grateful every day. Wishing you all the happiness in the world, and you deserve everything beautiful life has to offer. And of course, may all your dreams, wishes, and prayers come true. May you find the courage to pursue them, Ray. And of course, I love you. And I miss you, and see you soon. God bless you always, Ray, and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hi, Rian! Wow! It's your special day today. 18 ka na ga, dusang san ulang, no? I wish for your good health always, a day filled with joy, and all the best for your special day. Happy 18th birthday, Rian! God bless!
Happy birthday, Rian. Tama gid ka dasig sang tiempo, and it's amazing to see how much you've grown. Sa kabay pa nga sa bago nga chapters ang imo nga kabuhi nga alatubangon, bago nga journey, be filled with endless opportunities, joy, and God's blessing. You're going to adulthood na, and step with it with faith, confidence, and love, knowing na ang Diyos magaguide gid sa imo in every step of the way. Trust His plans, hindi gid magdali. And today, enjoy every moment sa imo nga special day and all the exciting things that lies ahead sa imo nga journey. God bless, and again, happy 18th birthday. Bye-bye!